Next experiment. Water tornado. What you will need is 2 plastic bottles, a tornado tube, and some water. So now pour some water into the bottles. Yes. Yeah, the bottles have already water inside it. So take one of the bottles, put it upside down, and see what happens. The water comes out of the bottle, right? And then the second one, take the second bottles, move it. Okay. Now we'll do a little bit different treatment. We put it upside down and give some spinning motion into the bottles. So let's see what happens. Well, actually it doesn't work like that, but it's okay. So now we're trying to make some tornado with this 2 bottles by adding some water into one of the bottles again. Fill it up all the way to the top. Okay, got it. Now we're using the tornado tube. Right. Probably we will put some food coloring so it'll be clear enough to see. Put some food coloring. You.
Jadi tambah ininya goreng bareng.
Yeah. Just a little bit probably. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna shake it up a little bit so that it can be green. So now it's become green like a Hulk. Alright, there we go. Now we connect the 2 bottles with this tornado tube, and we'll see if it's turned upside down, what will happen. Put it down on the table. Right. See? The water doesn't go to the second bottle at the bottom. Right? Now we're gonna give some spinning motion to the upper bottles and see what happens. See. Right. Okay. Can you see the tornado there? Right, that's the tornado. Right. There we go. That's tornado. So now what you have to do is explain us what's just happened.